Assuming Tesla stock were to twofold in cost, how much will your stock portfolio be worth, and how much more Tesla offers will you be adding? Tesla stock has been dropping in the previous months, hitting all-time lows at a few focus points anyway. So this may not be an ideal opportunity to get selling your Tesla shares at each smallest open door, as the Money Road agreement predicts that Tesla will be worth practically twofold its ongoing cost by 2023. You certainly don't have any desire to pass up this video. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Tesla stock is right now exchanging under $150 at the hour of this video, but Money Road's examination gauges that the automaker's stock will be worth up to twofold this sum by 2023. Money Road's normal cost focus for Tesla is presently $250 for each offer, with a typical return capability of 122. This comes in the midst of the consistent drops in Tesla stock cost and rising feelings of dread concerning a potential decrease in Tesla's interest, beside Wall Road's gauge another person has likewise see that EV monster as a smartest thought interest in this year regardless of as of late experiencing its most horrendously terrible one-day misfortune in 11 months. Should financial backers truly be selling their Tesla shares, more to come yet. Before we get into the video, remember to like and buy in and turn on notices to push modern on everything along on with Tesla shares dropped by just about 10 as of late, extending a drawn-out auction anyway. Following this drop, Elon Musk had told his representatives to not be too irritated by securities exchange wildness. He expressed this in a vast email where he advised staff members that Tesla needs to exhibit proceeded with greatness to perform, and that drawn out he accepts a lot of Tesla will be the most significant organization on Earth. This isn't whenever that Musk first will unveil his expectation for Tesla to one day be the world's most important organization, the chief said during the organization's second from last quarter profit call last year that Tesla would sometime or another be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco, which will put it in a place of being the world's most important organization. And in Musk's new email, he said thanks to Tesla representatives for their work in 2022, urged them to push hard for major areas of strength for the quarter finish, and request that representatives volunteer to assist with conveying vehicles to clients to get together with expected conveyances during the last long stretches of most quarters. Tesla enrolls representatives from everywhere in the organization to get new vehicles to clients' requests to hit or surpass expressed conveyance objectives, albeit this is generally restricted to individuals in the deals and conveyance groups. Despite the fact that Tesla has been holding back nothing year-over-year development in vehicle conveyances, it had additionally recently forewarned financial backers that it may not meet that focus on each year. Flautist's Sandlot investigation. Alexander Potter as of late protected Tesla following its stock's latest dive. He expressed that the flow of stock execution isn't sufficient motivation to accept that Tesla has unexpectedly capitulated to a flood of new rivalry, despite the fact that anything has changed with the organization's drawn-out DS anyway, and few out of every odd investigation appears to concur with this significant time frame. Tesla bear Gordon Johnson has as of late guaranteed that Tesla may, to be sure, have an interest issue. The head of speculation research firm GLJ Exploration and Money Road veteran has fostered a standing similar to Tesla's greatest conveyor throughout the course of recent years. Johnson, who's been presenting negative conjectures on Tesla starting around 2018, as of late illustrated three central questions that he accepts the vehicle organization is looking at right now, which he referred to as request rivalry and valuation. As per Gordon Johnson, organizations don't reduce costs when they request serious areas of strength, so Tesla might be utilizing cost slices to assist with fighting off the rising competition, while Tesla has been the EV chief in the U.S. for quite a long time. Johnson accepts that the organization has lost its mechanical edge, and he expressed that there are a lot of vehicles accessible with equivalent or better certification, reaching better insides and quicker charging. These vehicles are an enormous contest for Tesla. This might actually be the reason Gordon Johnson doesn't see Tesla stock costs going up at any point in the near future. Musk blames Tesla's declining share costs on increasing loan fees, in spite of the fact that pundits actually highlight his Twitter takeover as a greater guilty party for the slide. Tesla shares have been pounded for this present year down over the long term to date, and financial backers appear to be stressed over the organization's capability to keep developing deals so quickly during an extreme macroeconomic climate. While it is difficult to be aware without a doubt in what direction the cost is heading, there are several motivations to accept that Tesla stock could draw in some good consideration. Two potential impetuses at the stock cost could be the taking off deals in the organization's energy business and the more drawn-out weighted send-off of the digital truck. Tesla's energy business has been flourishing throughout the long term and is developing definitively quicker. The automaker revealed in its quarterly letter to investors that it sent 100 megawatt-long stretches of energy stockpiling, up 62 from last year, which was by a wide margin the most elevated level of energy stockpiling organizations that had at any point accomplished, and to all the more likely locations in the quickly developing business sector for energy capacity business. Tesla said it was sloping up creation. There's this plant in Lazarop, California, and the force in this business appears to have gone on into the final quarter of 2022, as the vehicle organization declared in December that it conveyed 100 megawatt long periods of energy stockpiling limit in a solitary venture in Belgium. In like manner, the digital truck will be one more lift to Tesla stock. Musk said during Tesla's second from last quarter income call that the all-electric truck is at its last lap at readiness, and it will before long start creation. The vehicles are expected to enter creation around the center of this current year, and there is a ton of expectation around it as of November 2022. Tesla had proactively assessed 1.5 million bookings for the vehicle. Tesla at first intended to bring creation of the digital truck into late 2021, yet the worldwide store network provoked calculated imperatives, and the vehicle organization needed to focus on the creation and development of existing models more than once, deferring the digital truck send-off despite the fact that it is conceivable that the digital truck send-off will be postponed again. The new move to market is by all accounts close enough for financial backers to begin giving more weight to the vehicle's deal potential in their investigation. This could likewise be a valid justification for financial backers to increase cost targets and evaluations for the organization's stock. While Tesla stock plunged more than 11 in the midst of the Shanghai plant closure and frail deals in China, some investigations remain bullish on the organization's stock. Value specialist Ben, immature as of late, reduced his cost. Focus on Tesla stock from $316 to $252 for each offer, albeit this was a drop from past cost. Focuses on the new cost, which is even in excess of 130% above what Tesla stock is as of now exchanging for, besides 6 other stocks that have cut their cost. Focuses on Tesla shares anyway. The vast majority of these objectives stay well over Tesla's momentum stock cost, and investigation have comprehensively kept up with purchase and beat appraisals for the stock. Immature likewise promoted Tesla is a smartest thought stock for financial backers in 2023, expressing that financial backers ought not be excessively worried about debilitating interest. The investigation composed that Tesla has many interest switches to pull, remembering an increment for vehicle renting and extra supercharging motivators, and he said that Tesla is best situated in the auto market as electric vehicles keep on taking portion of the complete market, and this is as a matter of fact valid. As per reports, the automaker's model he was Europe's top-rated traveler vehicle in general, in November surpassing the Volkswagen Golf in the wake of dropping out of the main 50 in October. The Tesla vehicle bounced back unequivocally in November with 19,144 units sold, and that was an addition of in excess of 260% from that very month last year. The Model Y is likewise Europe's general top dealer in September. Tesla's European deals rose 97 in November to 31820 units, to a great extent as a result of the 260 flood in deals at the Model Y. With this expansion in deals, the Tesla vehicles, universally combined with extensions for its energy business, could be a monstrous spike in stock cost for everything connected with Tesla this year anyway. While energy capacity business is critical to Tesla, it is little comparable to buy and large income, and thus the organization's vehicle plants are probably going to be the greatest driver of deals. Since Tesla is doing great as far as its essentials, the stock cost is probably going to answer emphatically in the blink of an eye. Gary Dark, in an ongoing tweet, emphasized Wall Road's cost focus for Tesla, while adding that an investigation ought to possibly reduce cost targets, assuming they cut gauges, since gauges drive cost targets. He likewise exhorted that financial backers ought to zero in on every one of the extraordinary impetuses coming in 2023. Gary Dark encouraged Tesla financial backers to defeat the cynics and media who don't trust in Tesla's history and to cooperate as a solitary local area to assist each other and remain solid into the new year. How about Tesla's financial backers be concerned? Tell us down below and let us in on what your valuation of Tesla is and to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days. Feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.